Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease PK.
Do you go to the supermarket, but you don't know what to say in English? Don't worry, after this video, you will.
Today you are going to learn that you can use right now at any supermarket, from finding items on the shelf to paying at the checkout.
These sentences are short. They are easy, and they are real English that real people say every single day while shopping.
Remember, every sentence comes 2 times. First at normal speed, natural, just like a native speaker. Then slowly, so you can hear every single word clearly.
So grab your shopping bag and let's go to the supermarket. In English. I take a cart when I enter the store. I take a cart when I enter the store.
I use a basket for small shopping. I use a basket for small shopping.
I check my shopping list. I check my shopping list.
Excuse me, where is the bread? Excuse me, where is the bread?
It is in aisle 3 on the left. It is in aisle 3 on the left.
I need some apples and bananas. I need some apples and bananas.
I always check if the vegetables are fresh. I always check if the vegetables are fresh.
I buy milk every week. I buy milk every week.
I read the label before I buy. I read the label before I buy.
Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper?
Can I have half a kilo of chicken, please? Can I have half a kilo of chicken, please?
I would like 2 loaves of bread. I would like 2 loaves of bread.
Excuse me, can you help me, please? Excuse me, can you help me, please?
I cannot find the cooking oil. I cannot find the cooking oil.
This box is too high for me. This box is too high for me.
I need some frozen vegetables. I need some frozen vegetables.
I always check the expiry date. I always check the expiry date.
I buy 6 bottles of water. I buy 6 bottles of water.
I get some snacks for the week. I get some snacks for the week.
I need soap and washing powder. I need soap and washing powder.
This is on sale today. This is on sale today.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
This is too expensive for me. This is too expensive for me.
Buy one and get one free. Buy one and get one free.
I want the cheaper one. I want the cheaper one.
Everything here is 50% off. Everything here is 50% off.
I use my loyalty card for points. I use my loyalty card for points.
The store brand is cheaper but good. The store brand is cheaper but good.
I only have $20 today. I only have $20 today.
There are good offers this weekend. There are good offers.
I wait in the queue at the checkout. I wait in the queue at the checkout.
I put my items on the belt. I put my items on the belt.
The cashier scans all my items. The cashier scans all my items. Your total is $35.
I'm sorry?
Your total is $35. I pay by card. I pay by card.
I pay with cash today. I pay with cash today.
Here is your change. Thank you. Here is your change.
Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a bag, please?
I pack my groceries into bags. I pack my groceries into bags.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
These bags are very heavy. These bags are very heavy.
I put the bags in the car. I put the bags in the car.
I return the cart after shopping. I return the cart after shopping.
I want to return this item, please. I want to return this item, please.
This product is damaged. This product is damaged.
I use the self-checkout machine. I use the self-checkout machine.
I need help with this machine. I need help with this machine.
I forgot to buy eggs! I forgot to buy eggs!
Oh, hi! I did not expect to see you here.
I finished my shopping for the week! I finished my shopping for the week.